Yeah, good morning. So today we are having a Zoom session instead of live YouTube class. That's because today is a Saturday and we are hoping to have a few members joining us, one or two members probably joining us during the session. So that's how we usually have the Saturday sessions, where we can also take some questions if at all they have some questions. So that's the reason why we have a Zoom session on a Saturday. So, just a small introduction of what we do. We are basically a software company and a mobile apps development company and also a website development company. However, we decided that rather than just serving the customers who require such softwares and mobile apps and websites, we also thought that why not train freshers who are finding difficult to get a job, or give them an opportunity to train themselves and help them to find a better job. So that is the aim that we have, and we wanted to ensure that we do that service also from our side, and it's completely free what we are doing. It is something that we decided to take up. So we are not a training company. We are basically a company who would like to uh, help someone just as a service. And our major activities, of course, we develop softwares, mobile apps, and websites. So having said that, thank you very much, and let's start off with the training today. So we have one participant joining us, Pravina. Okay, so coming to what we are supposed to be doing when we start off. Yeah, so what we have to do is, of course, I'll have to log into training.rezola.com/software so that I know precisely where I have left off and what I need to start. Hi, Pravina. Good morning. So I've started the training so that uh, I can complete it on time and I can cover a lot. So I'll definitely share the video also later. Hi. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Yeah. Yeah. Hi, Nagalakshmi. Good morning. I started off talking and recording the session so that we can, I can complete more during this meeting. Hi. Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Good morning. Yeah.
Yeah. So let me start off with the session. So we had in my previous video, I had mentioned that we will discuss on a couple of more integrated development environments where we will be making a software. And I also told
Okay.
which one we would be, we would be finalizing on. So let me start off the session. So we are still discussing on IDEs. So last video we discussed on the IDE by name Notepad++, and we saw that it is little more advanced and little more better way of segregating the code for while you are creating software solutions, because a Notepad itself might not help because it doesn't support you in any way in creating a software in a smarter way. So one other very good software that's good, a good IDE that I have used for some time is called Sublime Text. So it's called Sublime Text. The first one that you find, you can just search for it. And Sublime Text is also a very good integrated development environment. It is basically a notepad, but with plenty of features in it. So let me try to go to home. Yeah, so it looks like this. In fact, I need to check if I have it installed on my machine. Yeah, I do have it. So this is the software, the Sublime Text. So it looks like this, and it is actually a better IDE than just having. One second, let me just try to bring it to the screen. Yeah. Yeah, so this is the IDE. So it is similar to Notepad++, but it has a little more features than Notepad++, and of course way ahead of the simple Notepad. So this is another IDE that you can use, which you can find on this website here. You can find it on this website, sublimetext.com. They have a paid version and they have a free version also. You can go ahead with a free version, so you can still use this. Notepad++ is of course completely free. So you can use this also as another integrated development environment. Of course, as I said, we would not be using even Sublime Text. We would go to another one, which is even more specialized for what we are going to do. So we just discussed Sublime Text. And the next IDE that we are going to discuss, which is a little more advanced or little more specific for creating PHP, MySQL, and jQuery kind of programming, is NetBeans. So NetBeans is again completely free, completely free integrated development environment, completely free software that helps you to write PHP programs really well. It's developed as an open source, which is available. So you can do Java, JavaScript, HTML, PHP, and all that. You can do all this programming. And the best part of NetBeans is it understands that you are programming in PHP, and it guides you and helps you to write the code with suggestions, with hints, with easy navigation, a lot of features. So if you're writing a program in PHP, and especially if you are a person who is increasing your skills and you're getting advanced in your skills, I would strongly recommend that you use something like NetBeans. Now, if you ask me, is this the best IDE that we can have? No, there are much better IDEs than this. Probably I've heard PHP Storm to be quite good, but this is one free IDE which serves its purpose really well. So this is the IDE that I would recommend that what we are going to use during this training program. You can download this IDE from the website here. You can pick it up here. And I have already installed this NetBeans on my machine. In fact, that is what I use for my personal programming also. So let me just find it and open it now.
You mean NetBeans, sir?
Yeah, NetBeans, yes.
Okay.
Okay, let me just see where it is. 1 second. Yeah, I found it. Yeah, so NetBeans is a little bigger software, so it takes a little longer to open, unlike the simple Notepad. So let me open NetBeans right now. So as I'm opening that, I'll just tell a few things about what's happening right now in the training program. So few good things that are happening in training program is yesterday we had one more person completing the level 1, and one more person moving to level 2. Okay. Okay, so what I'll do is, since this is a level 1 training, I'll probably not tell much about the IDE, because it's going to confuse many, the persons who are going to listen here right now. So I'll just open NetBeans, I'll show NetBeans, and then we'll go to level 1 and we'll clarify any doubts that you have. Of course, I went ahead with quite a good content of level 2 right now. Anyway, so coming back to what I was saying is we still have around 60 participants in level 1. We have 3 people who have qualified to level 2, and we have posted 1 job opportunity till now in the group. So we have our vision is to at least generate 1,000 job opportunities by the end of 2021. So that's the aim that we have. So that is what we would like to achieve. So that's the 1,000 job opportunities by December 2021. Now it's a big number. We don't know how we are going to achieve it. Of course, all of you can share this, and we can definitely help a lot of candidates. So let me bring the NetBeans here. So this is a NetBeans. This is an IDE. This is an integrated development environment. Not if you see, it's quite a heavy software. It really reads a lot of data. It gathers a lot of information, stores it on RAM, and it helps you to program with much more intelligence, and you need not have to remember everything, because what happens is when you're programming bigger softwares, it can get a little too challenging to remember everything in your mind. So PHP, NetBeans helps you to take care of that. Okay, so having said this, I think what I will do now is let me uh, ask Nagalakshmi and Praveena if you have any specific questions that are there that you would like to ask in the level 1 training, that is HTML, CSS and Bootstrap, because that is what I should be covering right now. So do you have any specific anything?
So my problem is still my laptop is not repaired, sir. What happened is my nearby one of the family got COVID positive because they have hired some laptop and keyboard for some exam purpose, and the whole family suffering. Again, I have bought a new keyboard, but I'm not getting a person to fix it up. So same thing, I'm keep on watching your videos, but I'm not able to practice.
Let's not focus on what is the problem. Let's just see if you have any questions. If you have anything you would like to ask, you can ask. Or if you feel you would like me to explain any of these concepts, you can ask. So I think that will be a better.
Sure, sir. Give me some more time, sir. Definitely, I'll get back to you. I wanted to learn. Definitely, I will ask, clear all the doubts with you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Praveena, do you have any questions you would like to ask on any of the HTML concepts or anything? Okay. So I think what we'll do is I'll pick up something over here, and So I'll pick up some concept and I'll tell. What I'd like to tell here is, like, if you've seen me developing the code that I wrote for Bootstrap. Okay, so let me just open that. Training examples, and we are right now in this place in Bootstrap. Okay, so if you saw me writing this code for developing Bootstrap, I'll probably tell something more in that. So let me just open this in simple Notepad, because HTML, CSS and Bootstrap you can still manage with a simple Notepad. So if you see here, this is what we had written already. Now, if I run this on a browser, okay, so let me come here and just write here. So I'm doing Bootstrap. I'm covering a little bit of Bootstrap right now. So if I run this particular code on the browser, so let's say I'll run it on this. I'll just double click here. So it runs on the browser. So you see that, this website has got created. We have a navigation bar. We have some headings, some text. We have a photo, a button, a table at the bottom. And also we had done a model, which when I click, it actually picks up the same photo and it puts over here. So we did all these things. So what happens is, if at all you're developing a website, of course you can come here, you can change a lot of things here, and you can move this whole website around, and you can get an output exactly the way you want. You can always do that. Sometimes if you have very little time, and if the customer is very specific, he wants a particular design, or the output has to come in a particular way, I'll just introduce an easy way of creating a website. I would not recommend this if you're just starting, because if you directly go with what I'm about to say, you may really not understand the basic fundamentals, and there are many things that I have not covered, because I'm just covering the key concepts of HTML, CSS and Bootstrap. So I would strongly recommend that you go through each video that we have published till now, and you practice each and everything. In fact, I would recommend that you go beyond the content itself. For example, if you see the content, I have just included the key concepts here. If you Google it, I can tell you, you will probably find at least 5 times or 10 times more than what the items that I have mentioned here. So I would strongly recommend that you go through it. But however, since we have completed level 1 and I'm having an interaction class, I thought let me show you something. Now, what happens is there is one way of developing a good-looking website little easily, and that is by downloading a template. So, for example, I can just download a template and modify the template to make the website, look nice. So, for example, let me just search free templates. So there are few providers who give you free Bootstrap templates. So you can just download them for free. So if you see here, it says Bootstrap made free Bootstrap themes and website templates. So let me just open it here, and it's not an advertisement, so it's come through the SEO. So let me just open it here, and let's see what it says. So free Bootstrap templates, and you can see some absolutely free Bootstrap templates. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll just pick up this template here. Okay, and they do have a pro version also, which they're asking for payment. So the free one obviously might have very little tools in it or very little features in it. So let me pick up this one here, which is good image over here. So let me just download this. Okay, so Vesper free limited template updates and bugs. So it says built with Bootstrap, free download, stable. I hope they are not going to ask me to sign up and all that. So let's see what happens. Yeah, I think they are allowing to download directly. So let me put this in the same folder, training software, and I'll just create Bootstrap. And I'll put this in there. Okay, I created a folder, and I'm just keeping this particular file in there. So it's already downloaded. It's approximately 5 MB in size. So if I come out here, so this is the Bootstrap folder, and what I will do is I'll just extract all the files right there in that folder itself. So let me just right click and extract here. So all the files will get unzipped in that folder itself. It's over here. And if you open that, what you will see is you will see a already built website. Okay. Now, when you open this particular file, index.html, when you open the file, you will see that that particular website that we downloaded, the image that we saw, opens on your browser. So there you go. So you have a website and all the files of this particular website on your computer right now. You have it on your computer, and you can modify the content. You can modify all the content, and you can create a website. Only thing is, please remember to ensure that you are following all the license agreement terms of that particular provider. Okay, so that's important. So now let us say that I just want to change something over here. It says here, grow your business with Vesper. Okay, so let us say I want to change that. So how do I do that? All I have to do is just open this in Notepad. That is the index file. Of course, that is the one that opens that I opened. So I'll go to Notepad, and it's going to be a much bigger file. You can see that it's much bigger than what we developed before. And I'll just try to find this grow. Of course, the correct approach should be for you to go through every single thing and then spot this by looking at everything so that you understand the code. So I can see that the code is being mentioned over here. Grow your business with Vesper. It's inside a H1 tag, and it's inside a div container, which we had seen earlier. It is inside a div row, which we have already seen in Bootstrap. We have also seen column and SM before, but here they have column LG6 and all that. So they've given the numbering here, but earlier what we had seen, we had only seen column SM, COL-SM. So they have added few data AOS. Honestly, I don't know what this is. Probably if we Google it, we will get it. So let us say, when I just want to replace this as a free training and job. Okay, I'm just replacing that particular term, and I'm saving it. And when I come here and I refresh this, let's hope it changes. Yep, it has changed. Free training and job assistance. Now you may be really thrilled and excited that hey, this is so easy to do. But as I told, please do not jump to this section. I'm keeping this video as probably one of the last videos that we would ever be recording. Reason being, if you try to jump to this particular section, not going through all the other learning steps, you may not excel in your career. You may just be somebody who does a copy and paste. In fact, copy and paste will never work as you are growing in your career. So if you're becoming a programmer and if your aim is to be a great programmer, you will have to understand each line. You have to understand each code, what it does, why it does, and you should have a clear clarity in your mind as to what you want, and then you should be able to find the right solution for it. So please do not go to this directly and then say, hey, I can create a website. So you can go ahead and edit anything in this website. Whatever you want, you can edit, and you can create a beautiful looking website. So let me just say template. Okay, so that is one thing that I wanted to say. So I think we can stop here. If at all you have any questions, you can ask me, or else we can close what we are doing right now. Do you have any questions, Nagalakshmi?
Sir, I will start today itself, sir, and I will just go through the details of the first video, and definitely I'll get back to you, sir. Now I don't have anything to ask you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. I think we'll close the session here. It's been a good session. As I said.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. As I said, I hope those who are going through the training will not jump to this section, because it's a very dangerous way to skip everything and trying to go to the last. It can really hurt badly. Anyway, I wish everyone all the best, and to learn level 1 very fast, go to level 2, complete it very fast, go to level 3 and level 4 very fast, and then everybody qualifies for a job.
Sure, sir. Yeah, putting a great effort. Definitely a commitment is there to you. Definitely will do that, sir. Definitely.
Yeah, so that is what will give us ultimate satisfaction. So looking forward for everyone to complete your trainings fast. Thank you very much. And thank you and have a great day. Bye. Thank you. Bye. You're muted. So, yeah. Thank you. Bye.